idea of what the power of mother is. And atrocities, if you connect to this, to atrocities against women, because we've lost out the concept of womanhood as described by our religion, as enunciated by our religion. This is the only religion which worships Shakti. And all the power-related words are feminine gender, by the way. Just check it out in Sanskrit grammar or Hindi grammar. All power words are Raksha, Suraksha, Shakti. Everything is feminine. Now this was the strength of my culture. And from there to female feticide, to atrocities against women. And I'm sure all of you have worked in the hospitals and government hospitals, interned and seen the condition in which women come. You've all seen that. And I think culturally, if we are celebrating the Mother's Day, more appropriately, if we can connect it to our strengths, our cultural strengths of respecting the mother, respecting the womanhood, because mother is a relation which is the essence of a womanhood. I mean, ask any woman. I'm not saying there's anything wrong in not being a mother, but women themselves take it upon themselves that this is the most important assignment which God has sent them for. And they feel, and they're not wrong, because from nation building to family building to the task assigned, all depends on how a mother treats the baby, or how that baby and that setup treats the mother. So, since women have been treated not the right way, you have maternal mortality rate. You'll say, what is the connection? I mean, maternal mortality rate is connected to economy and connected to nutrition. But culturally, these are the mothers who are starving themselves at the cost of feeding the family. Culturally, they are overworking themselves. Culturally, they are producing children, whether their body can permit or not. So, how a mother needs to be treated will define where the country goes. And for defining that, since we are at the inception of a new India, since we are at the inception of changing the conditions we have lived through for past 67 years, out of which 60 years, one party, one family has controlled the assets of this country. और उस भारत माता को रेट से तमाम चीजों के रूप में हम लोगों के निर्माण के लिए आगे बढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि जोड़ों में अलग अलग है, सब चाहते हैं एक भारत हो या श्रेष्ठ भारत के निर्माण पर किसी को आपत्ति नहीं हो सकती कि भारत श्रेष्ठ राज्य देश बने और हमें वो सब फायदे मिले जो कि किसी भी देश के आगे बढ़ने के लिए जरूरी है और उसका हम इकोनॉमिक टू सिक्योरिटी फायदा उठा सके। मैं चलते चलते आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ, शुक्रिया, थैंक यू। But I will make you all have this all resound with one sound. I will say Ek Bharat, and all of you with your fist closed will say Shresht Bharat, because I think all of us want and live by this dream. And I'm grateful to all of you, really grateful to all of you for helping me, for helping my people, for helping build a different nation, for changing the direction, because till we change the direction, we can't change the condition. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Ek Bharat! Ek Bharat! Yeah, you guys are doctors. I have a sore throat. But I'm sure you can shout louder. Ek Bharat! Ek Bharat! Ek Bharat! Ek Bharat! I see some men who are not raising their fists and as if they are not interested in making India as one or a better country. I want everyone to work with it.